Or a wooden deck, that's a good idea.
Wow.
Oh, that's it.
What we do if we throw it in the ear?
That's coming down on the roof there. Oh no.
Oh no!
He's thrown it into the neighbour's yard. He started a fire.
He threw it on Tony's yard there.
He started a fire, that's what he's done.
Has he? Yeah, Dad.
Just try this one.
How many more have we got left? Oh.
See what happens.
Alright, stand back, Chuck. Stand back.
Is that a fire down
Dad, it's strong.
Yeah, dude. You've set it on. You've set it. You set it on fire.
Uh-oh.
You idiot.
Get out.
You got to turn on. Oh, wrong hose, mate. It's that hose you're after.
Can you have a bucket, bro?
Oh, my guts are hurting. Oh, you can smell it. You need to give it a good douse, it's still hot.
Yeah, the bloody hose going.
I think you might have to. Good luck untangling that.
That should do it.
Now girls, that's why daddies don't play with fireworks.